Hello student. Very good morning, good afternoon and good evening, one and all present here. Today I will discuss the concept of even and odd function and its applications and problem solving technique. Please view this video till the end. Let us see what is an even function and odd function. Even function, f of minus x is equal to f of x for all x in the domain of f. F of minus x is equal to fx for all x belongs to domain of f. F of minus x is equal to minus fx for all x belongs to domain of f. This is the odd function and this is the even function. And even function is symmetric with respect to y-axis. And this is the result that we are obtaining, and this result we are applying to the problem solving and also problem solving. Now look at the fx is equal to x square. This function is symmetric with respect to, if you fold it along y-axis, it completely coincides. If you take any point on this axis, there is a symmetric point. So, and this symmetric point with respect to y-axis. So, when a function is symmetric with respect to y-axis, we call even function, and f of minus x is equal to fx. But in case of odd function, what you find, it is symmetric with respect to origin. If you choose any point with respect to origin, the distance, the same it will be here. I mean, if you take 1, you are getting 1 comma 1, and you are getting minus 1 comma minus 1. So, symmetric with respect to 1, 1 is minus 1, minus 1. If you take fx is equal to x cube, it is symmetric with respect to the origin and it is odd function. If you take f of minus x is minus x, f of minus x is minus x cube, and it is, if you take any point on this region and what you change, we see that f of xy is equal to f of minus x minus y. This is the odd function character, and we see that now what we have seen in this video, symmetric mean with respect to y-axis is even function, symmetric to origin odd functions. Now we will see some problems. Let us see some problems, very interesting problems, to see that how we see the problems finding the even and odd function. Let us discuss identification of even and odd functions. Identification of even and odd function. Certain problems, that is fx is equal to natural logarithm x plus 1 plus x square root over, and let us see now putting f of minus x, adding them, and we are simplifying. Now what you see here, this implies that f of x is equal to f of minus x, which means that f is an odd function. And dear student, always go by this method. F of x plus f of minus x, check. If it comes out 0, then it is an odd function. If it is not 0, then test f of x plus minus f of minus x is equal to 0 or not. Always go in this method so that it is easier to solve the problem in a better method. Now coming to this one, it is an odd function. Now discussing to the second problem. Let us see fx is equal to 3. Now
what do we see? Fx is equal to 3. F of minus x is equal to 3. That means f of x is equal to f of minus x. Fx is an even function. Now coming to question number 3. Now suppose you have taken x square minus mod x. Then f of minus x. This also you could have done it. F of x same, that is the same way, that is here. Since it is very simple one, I didn't add and subtract. And for bigger one, so it is an even function. Coming to let us discuss this function 2x cube minus x plus 1. If you take f of minus x, it is not equal to fx or minus fx. So fx is neither even nor odd. Now giving some even function into even function is a even function. Odd function into odd function is equal to even function. Even function into odd function or odd function into even function is equal to odd function. This video comes to an end. You must have enjoyed, and its beautiful application in definite integrals when you apply the King's and Queen rules. Thank you, and please share, subscribe. Have a good day.